Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving ISI MStat paper for PSA. So today we have came up with the question number 3 and let's see how we can solve that. And if you are having any further questions or you need any explanation for any particular question, you can always ask us on the provided number. So let's solve with the question. So here we are being given a determinant. So here the statement 1 being given determinant of A plus B is less than equals to determinant A plus determinant B. So here this is true. No, this is not generally true. Determinant of A plus B is greater than equals to determinant of A plus determinant of B. So this is not generally true. Why? Let A is equals to I5. Identity matrix we know. Now B is minus I5. So then what happens? Then determinant of A is 1. Then determinant of B is minus 1 to the power 5. So that's minus 1. So then determinant of A plus determinant of B will be 0. But A plus B is equals to 0. Or we can say determinant of A plus B is equals to 0. Or determinant A plus B is equals to 0 is equals to determinant of A plus determinant of B. So equality may hold, but in general this inequality is not guaranteed. Why? In fact, in many cases the determinant is not additive. So determinant of A plus B is not equals to determinant A plus determinant of B. So we can conclude that statement 1 is false. Okay. Now statement 2. What it is? Trace AB is less than equals to trace A, trace B. So here not necessarily the trace function satisfies trace. The trace function satisfies trace AB is equals to trace BA, but no general inequality like trace AB is less than equals to trace A multiplied by trace B. Okay, this is true for arbitrary matrix. How? If I give you a counter example, then we can see that is A, let A is equals to B is equals to I5, or we can say AB is equals to I5. So then trace A will become what? Then trace A will be 5 and trace B will be 5. So then what will be trace AB? Trace AB will be 5, or trace AB is equals to 5 is equals to trace A multiplied by trace B to equal to 25. No. So 5 is not less than, this inequality fails. But let's try like this way in the matrix format. If I tell you again, A, let we consider A being 1, 100, 0, 1. Okay. And B being 1 minus 100, 0, 1. Okay. And then what is AB? AB will be minus 9999, 100 minus 100, 1. So then trace AB will be minus 9999 plus 1. That is minus 9998. So then we know that trace A is how much? It's true. And trace B is how much? 2. So then trace A and trace B will be 4. So now trace AB is minus 9998, which is less than 4. Correct. So trace AB is less than equals to trace A, trace B. So then, but the inequality is not guaranteed for all real matrices. Then, in fact, there is no universal upper or lower bound on trace AB in terms of trace A and trace B. So statement 2 is also false. So then my correct answer option A. Both 1 and 2 are false. So this is the correct option for the question.